They went to fetch water and they fetched ice and came back. look at them.
Hi everyone. So this is us. So we are basically getting ready to go, and we are going to Mainamla. So basically it's 11:30 in the morning and we are starting our trek from here. So this is Buddha Park, a beautiful monastery which is situated in South Sikkim, Ravongla. And yes, let's start our journey. So we'll be going from here probably.
So how are you feeling now? A little brighten up, na?
No, then I feel brightened now.
I know, no need to shine.
So guys, we are actually going, and the best thing is we don't know the way, we don't have a guide, and we don't know at what time exactly we'll reach there, and we just started our trek from 12 maybe. So she's Millie, okay? Guys, the famous girl. वहाँ चाहिँ एकदमै very excited person है एकदम. उहाँलाई चाहिँ हामीले चाइनादेखि बोलाएको. It was Adam Millie's plan to bring this. Cream वाला चाहिँ महँगो भएर लिएन हैन. So we are still walking, or still hiking, and okay. पुरा उकालो रहेछ के बाटो. यति बाटो आउँदा कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ अहिले.
एकदम खुसी लागिरहेछ मनमा. अब के भन्छ, यस्तो सुकुन भइरहेछ.
ओ सुकून. आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है, मतलब इतना चलने के बाद? क्या कुछ नहीं फील हो रहा है ये तो क्या खा कर आया आज? तो बहुत चल रहे तो. आई डाउट तुम्हारे जगह प्लेन्स पे. इन दोनों को तो मैं आक्स नहीं करूंगी, दे ऑलरेडी टायर्ड. सो यस्तो उकालो छ यहाँ हेर्नु है. यो मेरै भिडियो हेर्नु भनेको मतलब चाहिँ तपाईहरुले कसरी अब डरलाग्दो देखाइदिनु पर्यो. यहाँ कसरी बनाउनु यस्तो डरलाग्दो देखेको छैन कि, तर इट्स सो उकालो के भन्नु अब.
मुझे वीडियो करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. देखो them. Pretty in the dark becomes ugly at night, so walk fast.
Okay. मेरा तो इतना हालत पतला हो गया गाइस क्या बोलूं मैं. This is like very pretty. Look at the jungles, like the trees and all. It's like really pretty. And as usual, Millie has to do and show some activities, so she's going over there. And here is Aditi.
So we are walking. हम चल रहे. We are almost to
हामी फोटो खिचौँ न सबै केटीहरुको ओरिजिन
So we basically reached the halfway and we are about to reach. According to the map, we are about to reach. So guys, I'm really excited to see the place.
इतना तो एकदमै चारों तरफ कराई कराई है। हम लोकल टूरिस्ट है। कुछ भी विजिबल नहीं है। सामने का ही विजिबल है।
Guys, so we are actually about to reach and I'm really happy. Literally I'm so tired right now. इतना ऊपर चढ़ना पड़ा, मतलब मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था इतना ऊपर चढ़ना पड़ेगा बोल के। हम बस 1 किलोमीटर। तो अभी इतने चलने के बाद हमें पता चला कि there is no water up there. And so I'm so tired. So guys, we finally reached. Actually, we have been walking since like 5 hours. It has been more, and we are so exhausted because we had not eaten our lunch. Okay, so it was so tiresome, but still we are here. I'm feeling very happy. I'm being very happy. Finally. Hi everyone, so we just reached and the place is like really nice. Really देखिएको छैन because पुरा यो लागिरहेछ foggy के because of that. And look at them, it's like literally so cold. My hands are shivering.
My hands are numb. This is so numb.
It's like literally so cold, huh?
I want to
So, we are basically making jalmuri right now. Aditi is the specialist, jalmuri specialist. And Millie का भी कम नहीं है, इसका मैं तारीफ करना नहीं बोलूँगी.
She's our opener specialist for today.
And she is our tester. So this is basically Punal ka head kala.
They went to fetch water and they fetched ice and came back.
Look at them. ये इधर देखो ना, ये लोग इतना मतलब फनी दिख रहा है। ये हमारा, ये हम इधर सो रहे हैं। Hello, so right now it's 8:30 and the best thing today is snowfall virus hai again. And now I actually wanted to witness snowfall in Mainamla, so snowfall भएको यो It's very cold. It's like literally so cold. So this is Mainam Gumpa and we stayed here yesterday.
sunrise.
Sunrise भएको छ। वाउ आयो
Hello from Vietnam.
So guys, now we are leaving from Manila and now we'll be going to Balidunga, and the way is like literally very slippery because of the ice, or should I say snow. So bye bye. Look at the view. It's like really pretty. Achoo. Can you hear the sound, like footstep ka sound? Wait again. Look at my shoes. I had to walk like this only, like garjan ke liye bhi. And the view, guys, wow, so pretty. सेशन चल रहा है इधर, सबका अपना अपना पर्सनल फोटोग्राफर है इधर। पर अफसोस नहीं, नीचे जाकर करूंगी। ओए
Hello, we are heading towards Balidunga. अभी हम 5 बजे उठा है, 5 बजे है ना, 5 बजे उठ के हम जा रहे हैं। बहुत नाइस व्यू, सच में बहुत स्लिपरी है।
We are basically going Balidunga, so it's up there, and now we'll be moving. We'll show you around. Let's go. आवाज ही नहीं सुन रहे तुम्हारा।
हम बालीदुंगा आ गए, रास्ते में गिरते चलते हुए फाइनली हम पहुंचने वाले हैं हमारा डेस्टिनेशन।
2 दिन से बिना कुछ खाए।
सच में एक ही मैगी खाया ना?
मैगी खाया कल रात से और मेरा गैस्ट्रिक हो गया।
To take care of Balidunga is to love nature. So people, we are finally here, and the thing is, unfortunately, we missed the sunrise, but then it was okay. So this is the point.
Finally,
We reached Balidunga.
हम रिटर्न कर रहे हैं, अभी नीचे जाना पड़ेगा और खाना भी खाना पड़ेगा। तो we are literally so hungry. पता नहीं दूसरों का क्या, पर I am literally so hungry. Can people survive in Maggie like for the whole day? But we did, okay.
सुस्मिता कस्तो लाग्यो?
I am very excited because it was like my dream to come here since when I was in college first year, and now I am in second year. I'm a student, so I'm finally here, and I'm very excited and very happy to be here. Thank you.
कस्तो फिल गर्छ?
So basically, I'm really happy because we have been planning to come over here since so long. Finally came true. Peace out. इन लोगों को पूछो कैसा लगा बोल के।
रितुपन कैसा लग रहा है? कुछ तो बोल। पुनःलाई चाहिँ बातमा भन्छ कि यता चाहिँ हेर्नु उयो के अरे भोकल एक्सर्साइज गर्दैछ। एकदमै राम्रो अस्ति गीत गाउन हामीले एकदमै यसको भोकल भएन भने थियो क्या दिस टाइम चाहिँ प्र्याक्टिस गरेको थियौँ थाहा छ तेरो मनभित्रको कुराहरू मलाई पुनः तिमीलाई कस्तो लाग्दैछ एकदम मलाई खुसी लागिरहेछ थ्याङ्क यू अलमाइटी अब यस्तो दामी ठाउँमा आउनु पायो होइन खुसी लागिरहेको छ अब यस्तो नेचर चाहिँ हाम्रो चाहिँ एकदमै सिक्किम चाहिँ एकदमै नेचर यति राम्रो छ साँच्चै नै हामीले गर्व मान्नुपर्छ प्राउड टु बी अ सिक्किम एन्ड प्राउड टु बी अ इन्डियन थ्याङ्क यू सिक्किम मिस भन्नु थियो
So we are basically drinking tea. Just go So basically, it feels like treasure. This tea, at this moment, feels like treasure, real treasure. Because we really wanted to drink some tea, and we were not able to light some fire also because of the snow. So, इधर का 2 अंकल थे, मतलब उन लोगों ने हमें चाय बना के दिया, and it was so nice of them, you know. कैसा लगा?
Nice. सुबह चाय मिलते हैं. Pen really.
And you feeling lucky वाला क्यों?
Yeah.
Wow. So we are basically returning back, and that trip was really awesome. So we did not get to see the sunrise properly, but then no worries, there is always a second time. So next time आएगा तो देखेगा. So आपको कुछ कहना है मेरा फेमस चैनल में?
मेरे को बहुत कुछ कहना है.
हाँ तो
पहले तो जाके कुछ खाना है.
हाँ जाके तो कुछ खाना पड़ेगा. So to the people like who's ever come over here, please dispose your waste, okay? There is dustbin, a thing called dustbin over here, okay? So this is just a bit of guideline. I know that throw गर्नु पर्छ क्या dustbin मा. That's okay, nice sorry क्या? Wait, that's okay.
Hello guys, so we have finally reached our destination भनेर. So finally हामी फर्केर आइसक्यो. We have reached जहाँदेखि थालेको थियो ती आइपुगिसक्यो. वहाँ म्यामले लुगा फेरि पनि सक्नुभयो हैन. अनि मेकअप हुँदैछ त्यहाँ पर दुईजनाको. So yes, stay subscribe. के भन्नु भन्ने थियो?